Okay, you guys, so I thought that this filter would be really cute for this video because it's Kiara Sky. Kiara Sky finally sent me my package. This is the mystery box. We are going to be unboxing it today. I'm super excited. It's kind of heavy, kind of not, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So for every mystery box, I am going to be weighing it because this package, for whatever reason, didn't have the weight on it. So it was close to 5 pounds. Here's me Askels, you guys. Y'all haven't seen him in a while. Okay, so before we start, I want to start doing a thing where I give a fragrance of the month. And I thought it would be super neat to do because I'm always wearing these different perfumes and I always get compliments on my perfume. But for December 2022, this is going to be the fragrance of the month. It is Don't Be Shy by Kilian. It is so, oh my god, it smells so good. It actually smells like Sweet Tarts. If you know what Sweet Tarts smell like, this is actually what it smells like. This bottle cost me a pretty penny. I will link everything down below in the description box, but it is well worth it if you are looking to purchase a high-end fragrance. All right, you guys, so this package was 4.8 pounds. Okay, so let's see what is inside of it. I'm super excited. I have not opened it yet. I was waiting for you guys. It is now December 2nd, and I received this yesterday, which was December 1st. I don't know when I ordered it. I'll link it in the screen, but it did not take that long to get to me. So this is the Kiara Sky mystery box. I believe this is their first year doing it. Hold on, y'all. I cannot get this box open. I believe it's their first year doing it. I'm not sure. You can let me know down below in the comments. This was paid obviously with my own money. I was not sent this, so I just want to say all of that before we get into it. I'm actually going to stand up to do this. Okay, so we have Kiara Sky mystery box. Ouch. Okay, we gotta go through one more to get it open. Oh, so before I open it, on the website, it said that it had all of this stuff right here in the box. Hopefully I can find it and link it for you all right here. So let's see if everything that really came in it came in it. Okay, so quick little note, I just wanted to tell y'all that as I'm editing this video, I do realize that literally everything that they mentioned that comes in the box came in the box, and I kind of overlooked it. So y'all are gonna see me like talk about the box and the stuff that's in it and me say that I don't really care for it, but in all actuality they told me ahead of time that I was going to get this, so I do apologize in advance for, you know, being a little finicky. This box was also $109 plus shipping and tax. It came up to, I believe, $127, but like I said, I will link everything in the picture for you all so y'all can see exactly what I spent and all that good stuff. Ooh, so the boxing is so freaking pretty, you guys. Let me just try to zoom out a little bit. So freaking pretty. The boxing comes really nicely packaged. As y'all can see, obviously I've not opened it yet. It comes it's not a brush. Okay. So no, I'm playing.
Hey, that's not fair.
Y'all, I thought it was a brush. I really thought it was a brush. Okay, so that's a disappointment right there, but it's okay. Let's keep moving. Let's keep going. So this is just something that, what do they call it? It's called a rub-on applicator. I have tons of these, y'all. Like, honestly, I have so many of them. I don't use them, but they're good for if you want to rub on foils, which I don't use too many of these, but I'm not sure how much this is on their website, but everything that is on their website that is in this box, I will link it in the picture for you all so you can see how much it is on the website by itself. Okay, so the next thing is Healing Callus Remover. I'm not mad at this only because I'm going to start doing pedicures very, very soon. It is in a 8 fluid ounce, but honestly, for people who are getting mystery boxes, I'm pretty sure that you probably would not want this. So yeah, this is a callus remover. I already have some, but I guess we'll see how theirs works. And a lot of this stuff, you guys, like I said, I'm either going to be putting it in my mystery boxes on my website, or I'm going to be putting it in a giveaway, or I will be, I don't know. I don't know what else I'm going to do with it. So, because a lot of the stuff I know I'm not going to keep. And then these are press-ons. I don't typically wear press-ons, but I think that these would be a really, really good giveaway. So we have these, some press-ons, you guys. So far, I'm not really filling the box for $100 something, but let's keep going. Okay, and then we have, I'm guessing this is some polishes. Let's see what kind. Oh, there's little poppers everywhere. Okay, so we have 3 polishes. I don't really know what they are. So the first one is a color base. Let's see what color it is. Ooh, it's a really, really pretty color. This really pretty pink. It is called Lavender. Oh, that's cute. That's a really cute color. So it's a soak off gel polish. I don't mind that. I always need gel polishes. Not in mystery boxes, but then we have a builder gel for jelly tips. So I'm guessing you can either use this as a top coat, which I'm not mad at either, because I'm starting to use this stuff over top of encapsulation when it's glitter, because it makes it super, super clear and shiny. But you can also use these for when you are doing press-ons or when you are doing full cover tips. So that's nice to have as well. And then we do have a top coat. I have never had their top coat. I really don't buy too much from Kiara Sky, so this is also nice to have as well. Get to try out their top coat and see how shiny it is. I will go ahead and do one swatch of this really quickly so y'all can see exactly how the color is. So after running back my video, I noticed that I keep saying their acrylics, their polishes, when this is in all actuality someone's brand. This is Kiara Sky's brand. So I do apologize for saying their and they, as I'm referring to a big group of people who are behind this brand, because it is just her brand. So I just want to apologize in advance. It is a very, very thin consistency. I do feel like you would need maybe 2 coats, but 1 coat is still very, very pretty. But this is the color, you guys. Super pretty. I think it's actually a really, really good base color. All right, so next we have, this is just another thing that pairs with the callus remover, which, I mean, that's cool. Oops, nice to have. And then we have some chrome pigments. This is, let me see what color. Even though I have tons of chrome pigments, I really don't need this one. It looks like a silver, yeah, silver lining. I think it's a chrome. Does it say chrome? Rub on. Yeah, it says rub on, so I'm guessing it's a chrome. Oh, it's very, very sealed. Yeah, that's definitely a chrome powder, which I already have, so that one might actually go in a giveaway as well. Okay, and then we have Made with Love. I don't know. Ooh, we got some acrylic powders. Not mad at it. Oh, hold on, y'all.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
This is a glitter. This is a loose glitter. Sprinkle on. This is kind of like NOTPOLISH's Sparklet, if y'all have ever seen that. It is a kind of like a sugaring effect almost. You can use it for sugaring, which I guess I'm not mad at either, but it's a pretty pink. It's a cute pink. I don't know how often I'll use that because y'all know I'm not a big glitter fan, but I like it. Then we have an acrylic powder. This is Diamond Fix. Very pretty glitter gray acrylic powder. I'm going to swatch this for you guys in a second. Okay, so when you are looking for this acrylic powder online on their website, you're gonna actually have to probably type it in, and then you're just gonna look for the actual name instead of the bottle. It does not show it in a bottle like the rest of the acrylic powders for whatever reason, so I did kind of skip over it when I was looking, but it is up there, and it does come in a 1 ounce, and it is $14.99. And then we also have 2 other acrylic powders. We have a clear, and we also have a cover powder in pale pink. So you do get 3 acrylic powders. So I'm not mad at it too much. I cannot remember how much their acrylic powders are. I'll actually go on the website and link it above right here. So I don't know how much these are all together, but you do get 3 acrylic powders in their box. They do not have any other sizes. It only comes in 1 size. I don't know if they're still available, you guys. And then we have some nail glue. I've actually never tried their nail glue, so that's pretty cool to have. Not that I need it. Ooh. And we do have some rhinestones. These are in a shade that I do not have. Really, really pretty, actually. This is super pretty. They're like Whiskey Business. Okay, that's a perfect fitting name for this color. I really don't know if y'all can see it. I don't really want to open it because I might give these away, but those are really pretty. And then last but not least, we do have, ooh, a little mini lamp. Ooh. Okay, I'm not mad anymore. You guys, I'm not mad anymore. Okay, so this isn't the small, tiny lamp. I thought that they were gonna send me this, y'all. I thought that they were gonna send me a lamp like this small. So that's what I was really thinking that was gonna be in the box. But I've never seen this in person, but it doesn't feel like it's as small. Oops. It feels like it's a little in between size. So I'm anxious to see how big it is. Okay, so on the back it says lightweight and travel friendly. Oh, okay, so this is one that you can like travel with. So that makes sense as to why it's that small. Compact 4-finger design, preset 60-second timer. It comes with an adapter. I wonder if it's rechargeable. Is it rechargeable or no? I think you do have to plug it in. It's only 10 watts, so I don't know about that. 10 watts is not strong, you guys. Acetone resistant, that's nice. It's automatic hand sensor, and if something goes wrong with it, I have a 6-month warranty on it. So that's also very, very nice. I just want to read y'all that and see what was going on with it, because like I said, I did not purchase from Kiara Sky, but I do think that from what I see, next year I will be purchasing their box again, because so far I like it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so happy. I actually like this box. For $100, I think I can get with it. From the powders to the lamp actually topped it off. If this wasn't in here, I don't feel like I would have bought this. I don't feel like I would have bought this again. So it does come with a charger. It's not rechargeable, so you do have to have it plugged in. Okay, so in the next clip, you're gonna see me like play around with it and wonder why it's only fit in 4 fingers, but reading is fundamental, and it clearly says on the back of this packaging that it is a compact 4-finger design. Okay, so you actually can fit your whole hand in if you needed to. Yeah, you can fit your whole hand in, but the light is only gonna cure like 4 fingers at a time. So, well, I don't know, you guys. I don't know, it might cure all of them. My hand isn't going completely through it yet, and I have very, very long fingers. So yeah, I do think that you can put your whole hand in here, which is nice. And I love the box. Like, can we talk about the box? I love the box. It's so cute. So I'm definitely going to keep the lamp in here because I don't know when I'm actually going to use it. I might actually use this for travel, but I do have another mystery box coming that may have a lamp in it. So, and yeah, I like it. I'm super happy with this one. It definitely made the box worth it. Without it, I don't feel like it was worth it. So I just want to put that out there. I also do like the acrylics, so I am going to swatch these two acrylics, and I'm actually going to lay this over top of a polish so y'all can see exactly how they work. So I'm actually just going to take that swatch that I did earlier, and I'm just going to top coat it with the top coat. I just wanted to try out the coat to see how shiny it was, and it was actually pretty shiny, the normal shininess, so it was cool. And then I'm taking the loose glitter and I'm just going to sprinkle it over top before curing, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that in the lamp, and this is what it looked like. It actually came out super pretty, y'all. Like, I was not expecting it to be that pretty. So then we're using the cover powder in the shade, I believe is called Pink Pale. And this one, the consistency of them are really nice, you guys. As y'all know, I have tried Kiara Sky, but the Kiara Sky that I initially got was from my local nail supply store, and it marbled really bad, and it also dried super fast. So me swatching these acrylics, I had to do it on camera just to show y'all the difference of actually getting it from the actual website, because sometimes you can get stuff that is mixed with other products and you really don't know what you're getting. So the formula was very nice. I had no issues with it. I just kind of fast forwarded to show y'all the finished look, but I did want to tell y'all that the formula was of my liking. Y'all know I am very honest when it comes to what I like in a formula, and I do really like Kiara Sky's formula. The glitter was just as good. It laid just as nicely, so I didn't have any troubles with that. Of course, y'all know I'm not a fan of shimmer glitter acrylics just because I hate the glitter. It's so messy. But I do think that it is good to have in your collection shimmer acrylics because some people want that. Like, your clients are going to want that sometimes. So I am happy that I can add this to my collection. It is not something that I would have picked on my own. So yeah, I'm happy. Okay, so my overall thoughts of the box was that it was worth it. I just wish that the clear acrylic powder, they probably should have changed that to a colored acrylic, because I hate when I get clear acrylic powder in a mystery box. Like, honestly, I have tons of clear acrylic. I don't want that. Just being honest, give me y'all honest review. And also, I feel like had I had a brush in the box, then I would have been elated. Like, if they would have put a brush in that box, I would have been super happy, like undoubtedly happy. But overall, everything did equal up way more than $100 or $109 from what I spent. So overall, I will say that I'm happy with the product and the mystery box, and I probably would order this again next year to see what they do or how they up it next year. I wish that they would just give more colored acrylics. A lot of these brands just give you like the basic cover acrylics or a clear in the mystery boxes, and that's the only thing that I don't like about these mystery boxes. Like, they're kind of stingy with the acrylic powders that they give out, and when we get mystery boxes, y'all, we want to see different colors. Like, we want to see colors that we haven't tried before or something that we don't already have from another brand. And 9 times out of 10, if you are a nail tech, you have covered powders or you know, neutral colors. So just Kiara Sky or any brand, if you're watching this for mystery boxes, try to give us some colored acrylics. If you can, insert a brush, but I do understand that this box was only $109, so their brushes on their website I think are like $50, $60, between like $40 and $60. So I do understand that. However, I am overall happy with the box. So I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all so much. Bye.